Welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Mark here with the C. 2023 was quite a year for The Average Kitchen. Roughly 40 independent, unbiased reviews, and we're gonna break it down to our top 5. So 2023 was a really cool year. We did a ton of awesome reviews, and you're maybe thinking, geez, all these guys do is review Ninja products, but I mean, Ninja makes a ton of affordable, good quality products, and they keep coming out with new stuff. So you're gonna see this list is Ninja heavy because we like their stuff. We're not affiliated to them, we're not affiliated to anybody. So before we get into our top 5, Mark and Jamie's top 5, we have 2 honorable mentions, one of which is the beast of the Ninja outdoor oven. We shot this video back in the early summer, ran it through some tests, and we were really impressed. Did an amazing job on pizza. The smoker aspect, I think, is a bit of a novelty. It was a great product that worked really well, that was really versatile. All right, the second and last honorable mention on our list are the Ninja knives. I've kept these in my kitchen and they get used every single day. Built-in sharpener, but you really don't need it that often. The steak knives are fantastic. Now, it is a pain because they say they're not dishwasher safe, so we have been hand washing them. So that would be the only drawback on them. But really complete knife set. I love the fact that the scissors come apart for easy cleaning, especially if you're cutting chicken or anything like that. As I say, they come together easy. There, went back together pretty easy. So overall, I thought this was a really good product. Not cheap, probably come down in price since we bought them, but definitely an honorable mention for me and something I really enjoy. All right, so number 5 on our list of the top products in 2023 that we reviewed. Great debate. Jamie and I had to go back and forth on a few products, and you're probably gonna understand why, but we're gonna go on number 5 with the Ninja CREAMI Breeze. This thing literally is a breeze. My kids, who are 11 and 12, love ice cream like most kids do, and they could use this themselves. Very quick and easy. Off, on, out of the freezer. They snap it into place. They hit spin, mix in whatever they want to mix in, hit mix in, and they're done. Really cool product. Not cheap, but nothing's cheap. Really enjoy this product. All right, number 4 on our 2023 best of list, Average Kitchen reviews, the Ninja Dual Basket. Now this is Jamie's guy, his go-to. He fought hard for this to be at number 4. I don't own it. Jamie uses it all the time. He loves it. Very versatile, quick, efficient, and consistent cooking. It's a go-to for Jamie all the time. He's a big fan. So the Ninja Dual Basket's number 4 on our list. Number 3 on our list, something we reviewed later in the year, is the brand new Ninja Duo Detect Blender. This thing was a beast, shredded through every single test we did. We made the most unbelievable fresh salsa from the recipe book, from the book that came with the new Ninja Duo Detect. Absolute beast, we loved it. Man, oh man. Number 2 on our list, the Ninja THIRSTI, brand new product by Ninja, heavily advertised, very difficult to get, and this was a late horse in our race in 2023 because we just got it and just reviewed it, and I'm not gonna lie to you, we were blown away. This thing was unbelievable. Multiple different options for how carbonated you want to drink, tons of flavor options, came with 8 different flavors. We were blown away, we absolutely loved it. All right, so our number 1 2023 Average Kitchen review that we did, the product that blew us away the most, yes, another Ninja product. And like I previously mentioned, yes, we're Ninja heavy, but that's because Ninja makes great stuff that's affordable and it's available, and it's also international. It's available in a ton of countries. The product that is our number 1 is an amazing all-around, all-in-one cooker that can give you beautiful meals with one product, and that is the Ninja COMBI. The Ninja COMBI really blew us away. From having the ability to cook on the upper and lower trays at the same time by doing a protein up top and pasta or rice or anything on the bottom, to be able to air fry and do all kinds of other things, this thing dominated every single test that we did and makes amazing full meals for a good sized family. So this is, the Ninja COMBI is our number 1 review item from 2023 that we absolutely loved. So that is our 2023 year in review, best of, top 5 with 2 honorable mentions. Really hope you like this video. We love hearing from you and the feedback that you give us, both positive and negative. We reply to every single comment. We'd love to know if you have ideas of things that we should be looking at to review. If you give us a great idea and we like it and we can get the product, we'll get it and review it. That's our video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. It's the best way to support us by doing what we're doing, by buying all these products out of our own money and reviewing them. And we'll see you on the next one.